Staying true to our mission set 55 years ago, UACCM moves to the forefront in providing high-quality technical training in several high-wage, high-demand program areas. With our new Workforce Training Center, we now have the expanded space and new technology to help us close the skills gap created by an aging workforce as a large number of Arkansans retire. This 53,800 square foot building houses labs for automotive service, air conditioning, heating and refrigeration, industrial mechanics and maintenance, and welding technology programs. The Director of Workforce and Community Education coordinates use of the Tyson Training Hall for customized business and industry classes. There is a skyrocketing demand for skilled technicians in Arkansas, and UACCM's goal is to prepare you for a great paying career in your community. Our programs focus on hands-on training while providing students with the degrees, certifications, and skills that can lead to career advancement. UACCM has supportive industry partners who help us keep our programs up to date and provide state-of-the-art equipment, supplies, internships, and scholarships for our students. The Workforce Training Center is now Arkansas's premier facility for technical training. To schedule your personalized tour, contact the admissions office. UACCM. Learn more, be more.